This Dumbo derelict has no idea that he's locked in after attempting to jack 2 phones. A cheeky teen bullies an innocent mascot, only to get drenched in the process. Aggressively brake check an unmarked cop car, and you're guaranteed to get pulled over. Borderline abuse your old cat, and you might rightfully catch a flower pot to the dome piece. A birthday boy gets some help from a chair when his younger brother punks him on his special day. This portly teen nails the ding-dong part, but hilariously fails on the ditch portion of the classic prank. A cruel bro hits the pavement like a ton of bricks after trying to kick a defenseless pigeon. A fast food worker goofing off during a shift gets lit up by a bag of disgusting trash. A careless youngster gets brutally kicked by a horse when failing to heed his dad's warning.
Get up here in front of him.
For reasons unknown, Twitcher Just a Minx stabs her White Claw and gets blasted in the eyes. Mondo-sized jaws of life confiscate a poorly parked car with unpaid parking tickets. A sadistic run at a flock of birds thankfully goes wrong for this weirdo, who destroys his ride. A malicious neighbor gets clobbered by a door while trying to destroy his neighbor's Ring camera. A latex glove prank backfires on this veterinarian who sheepishly pretends like nothing ever happened. An exotic dancer/absent mom misinterprets a judge's ruling, and her celebration grinds to a hilarious halt.
Okay, for $276, making your monthly child support payment $2,576.
That's how much you gotta pay.
No, that's how much you gotta pay.
Thank you.
The children live with him.
Thank you.
I don't see the celebration. Wait a minute. What happened to the celebration?
These idiots ran out of their bill, but forgot their keys at the table. Everyone enjoyed the instant karma when they had to come back. In a bizarre twist of hysterical irony, a man in a banana suit slips on human litter. Thankfully, a cop swoops in right on time to pull over a trucker bully with a gnarly driving habit. This braggadocious goalie, who failed to finish the play, watches the shot he blocked backspin into his own goal. A delinquent dude takes his aggression out on a street sign, and the street sign punches back. Joe Harding plays games with a lethal Johann Sega, and ground and pound ensues. A frustrated gentleman eats pavement after taking an abusive swipe at a barking dog. A scorned husband decides to fill his wife's car with cement in an act of revenge. Little did this reckless driver know that they were cutting off an unmarked cop car. A cranky coworker ruins some workplace fun, only to get KO'd by the tray he messed with. Perfectly bad timing for this driver in the red truck to blow a light right in front of a cop. That unfortunate day when you pass illegally and a cop on foot is right there to pull you over. If you play dirty and prematurely celebrate, then you probably deserve to lose the race.
Even care to look back and boom, the Korean beats it. Actually, this
Just seconds after claiming that snowy conditions are ideal for jogging, this runner takes a humiliating fall on live TV.
It's the perfect texture for running, very low impact on its dry snow.
Keep on the run. Sorry to have kept you, but I appreciate you guys talking with us. A lot of people out here like just enjoying it. One thing, oops, that can happen.
Tailgate and pass illegally, and you're bound to get pulled over by a sneaky cop hiding in the trees. Apparently, patience is not a virtue for this silly driver that gets instantly denied by a semi-truck. All trash and no class for this Lambo driver who gets reacquainted with their tossed garbage. It's a trip to the mechanic for this donut-doing bro who busts his radiator on a curb.
Dude, you just busted your freaking,
No free lunch for this black bear that gets vibed out by a couple of rough and tumble pigs. A goalie with a temper ricochets the ball off his competitor's head into his own goal. A couple of bozo bike thieves contemplate life after a botched robbery attempt in Sri Lanka. An older brother gets dropped by his own unfair shot, and all is right in the world. Try to gun down a cobra that's minding its own business, and it might just end up in your lap. There's nothing regal about this seagull, whose first line of defense is a dookie to the whiskers. Karma comes in the form of a glass door for this supercharged Karen who barricades a couple of innocent workers.
This is America, and you get it right the first time. You get it right the first time. Get it right the first time, okay?
A couple of swift kicks to a jammed key leads to a situation that's way worse. A hucked sign turns into a boomerang and drops a drunk bro who totally deserved it. Mess with your dad that's trying to grill for the fam, and your b-ball may just get punted. An amateur handyman double-checks the fit of his replacement board and gets cranked in the face. It's ticket time for this oblivious Ford owner who wants to race a cautious supercar driver. A sauced-up clubgoer attempts to ruin a friend moment and catches a stranger's beer to the face. Evidently, karma comes quickly for this line cutter who gets busted by a cop lurking in the shadows.